What is going on YouTube? Hannah back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. Specifically, though, in today's video, we have to talk about the continued movements that we've been tracking for the most part on most of these major cryptocurrencies. Over the past couple of days, we've been pretty much teeter-tottering on major resistances that we have found and pretty much, retesting those price ceilings, hopefully to either break through them or what we were anticipating was to break below them and start to correct to the downside here. Most of these cryptos, as you can see, like XRP, is intertwined within a major support level here. We have the moving averages as well as the downtrend here. XRP is a little different because we're trading at about 50 on the RSI, but we have the pole followed by the the flag right here, the pennant flag or the bear flag, whatever you want to call it here. But regardless, we are creating lower highs and lower lows, continuing to correct downwards, so on and so forth here. We are intertwined right now with the moving average and the resistance level right here. So there is a chance we could reject off this and pull lower, or we could easily break through this and head to the upside here. Anyhow, whichever way we decide to break, at the end of this will be breaking to the upside. Typically, this textbook-wise has a bullish bias here. So whether it breaks up here, whether we fall and then break up, ideally at the end of this correction or at the end of this indicator right here, we do see runs to the upside. That's typically where these move to. But besides XRP, we are going to be looking at Ethereum, which at this point is pretty much trending above its major support. We did talk about buying in on this as an aggressive trade because we confirmed closing here a couple of days ago, I believe on the 17th. So we are now starting to trend back above here again, but I am still a little bit wonky here. We do have some trades open right here for the off chance we do head to the upside with a very, very, very tight stop loss. Then we have Bitcoin here, which is honestly starting to trend above its major resistance today, which is interesting. Today is President's Day, so the S&P 500 will not be open yet, so we'll have to wait until tomorrow to figure out what exactly is going on. Also, guys, thank you all for the birthday wishes. I was actually blown away by how many people commented happy birthday, so I do really appreciate it. Yes, I do think 25 is old, and hitting that milestone, a quarter of a century, is a little bit weird. I know a lot of people are like, oh, wait till you're 30, 40, 50, 60. I don't know, man. It's definitely weird. I think we should just stop counting after like 23 and just say happy birthday or something. And then, I think I'd feel a lot better because I did feel some type of way yesterday when I turned 25. So it just doesn't sit right in my skin because, physically maybe I'm 25, but mentally I feel like I'm 22, 23, maybe a little. I have a little more wisdom, but I definitely don't feel like I'm old or older, if that makes sense. Hopefully some of you guys get it. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. With that all being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe. Let's dive into today's episode. All right, super quick. I know some of you guys are still watching my second channel here, and it's been 10 days since I posted another video. And the only reason that is because I'm in the process of filming my video for this channel here. I'm about 3/4 of the way done filming it, and then I need to edit and upload it. But in the time being, it's because I've been moving it back and forth, moving a bunch of stuff, so I haven't had time to actually sit down and edit and make a video. So just bear with me here as I am trying. I did not forget. And the videos coming in the next couple of months the next couple of weeks will be very exciting, very crazy, and I'm going to be doing some pretty crazy stuff. So definitely stay tuned for that. A lot of challenges that I never thought I'd take on here. So very excited. Make sure to subscribe to that channel if you haven't already here. This is going to be big for this year. I do have a goal for this channel to hit 100K. And then obviously when the stock market and cryptocurrency decide to move back up finally, I do have a goal to hit 100K as well on this channel here. But more info on that later down the road. With that being said, yesterday we did talk about the fact that we were in a critical point for XRP, retesting the top resistance right here. And with the off chance that we do come downwards, you can see the past, I'd say 2 days, we have been referencing, or I've been drawing out in these descending fractals here, corrections to the downside, or just filling in this kind of a flag that we had here. We have the pole, and then this is the flag forming a flagpole, and you can see I'm pretty much trying to find at some point a break to the upside. Either it's here to the up, or we fall a little bit lower and then we swing to the upside. Regardless, I do believe we are going to see a bullish outcome. I just don't know exactly when, and that's what we're trying to track down. As for the current market cap right now, we're up 0.75, which isn't too bad. Still above 1 trillion, which is still incredible here. You can see we flatlined out on most everything right now. 7 days flatlined out, flatlined. Everything is flatlined. Although over the weeks we've been doing really well. Bitcoin up 14.5% and Ethereum up 14.7% over the week. It's pretty incredible. Same thing with Cardano. XRP is only up half. Polygon is up 26%. Some of these cryptos are exploding. Polkadot 23, Solana 28. Pretty incredible to see that here. Now, the reason I see XRP kind of low is, granted, we're trading at about 50 on the RSI, like on the dot here, while something like Ethereum is nearing overbought, trading at 62, and Bitcoin is trading at 68. So they're much higher up in regards to seeing where things start to end. So it's very peculiar the way these markets are moving here. XRP, we're definitely independent still, I believe, from the other cryptocurrencies. XRP is clearly in a totally different sort of technical pattern than these other cryptocurrencies are, which is quite interesting if you ask me. But regardless, I do believe at some point or another we are going to be seeing XRP pop. Short term, long term, I am still bullish. We did buy in at 38 cents. Currently, we are still up just a hair, but I do believe we are going to continue to carry ourselves to the upside here. And I won't go totally in depth on the weekly charts. You guys know, as I've said every single video here, that we did break bullish outside the purple downtrend. I'm not going to go in depth about this, but as we are starting to trend out, I do believe we will be breaking through this and slowly heading ourselves up to moving average right here, which would be in between 47 and 95 cents, maybe even 50 cents. I'd say 50 cents, yeah, easy. 52 cents, 50 cents, and about 95 cents here. Long term as we enter into maybe mid to end of 2023, we should be seeing crypto much higher this year than we have before. And the 2024, I believe, will be the start or the beginning of a bull run, which would be very exciting. But as for XRP right now, we are currently stagnant here, but we will be making all of our trades on BidFi, the number one cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. I've been using BidFi for over 2 years now. They have proven themselves time and time again. They used to be called BitYard, but in 2023, they changed it to BidFi to kind of revamp and add some spice, something to celebrate on their exchange, which is quite exciting. But I've been using them for over 2 years and I've had no problems at all. You can buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits, everything you could possibly think of. BidFi offers, which is so freaking cool. You can long crypto, you can short crypto, you can buy, you can margin it, leverage it, take profits, stop losses, everything you can possibly think of. They even have XRP as a way to trade, which is awesome. Not many people know that, but XRP is offered on BidFi to leverage trade, which not many exchanges do. And you can also just buy and hold XRP on here, which not many people understand as well. You literally go to spot and click classic, and then I deposit USDT or Bitcoin, convert it into USDT, and then literally I go to XRP right here and I can buy and hold. So when I say I've been buying for the long term, buying and holding onto XRP at 38 cents, this is how I did it. I used the market order and I bought XRP and I just hold on to it. This way there's no leverage, which is also really cool. Now, moving forward, back to derivatives here, they do offer a demo account, which gives you 100K in Monopoly money to test your skills, risk-free. It costs nothing. It's risk-free. It's completely free also to sign up to the website. Link is down in the description below. And if you do decide to sign up, they offer welcome rewards right here, which can earn you up to $2,888 completely free. So make sure to go sign up. Check it out down in the description below. And if you have already signed up and you're already a member of BidFi, make sure to just click welcome rewards and see if you can earn anything, because you might be surprised. Now, moving on to Ethereum here, something very interesting. We did actually see the prices close us a couple of days ago back above this major resistance here, so this was an opportunity to buy in, but you can see we're starting to see some more interesting patterns where the prices have dipped below, potentially stopped some of you guys out. I don't know. This was definitely an aggressive trade, and I've been kind of hesitant towards pursuing this a little bit more because of the off chance that we could dip lower. Now, we didn't do that, but we did retest lower, and this probably stopped a few people out, but we are still trending above it, which is quite odd here, and we're still waiting, and we're really pretty much waiting to figure out what exactly are we going to do. Are we going to be breaking up? Are we going to be breaking down with these cryptos? It all comes down to how the S&P decides to open up, but with the Ethereum trading above here, we don't have any volume. We're not seeing any volume swing us to the upside yet, so it's hard to believe that we're just going to hang out above here and not see any movement, which is why I'm leaning more towards a pullback to the downside here. Same thing with Bitcoin. Although we are starting to see the prices hang out above, let's see how we trade or close later on, because every single candle prior to that, ever since the 16th, has seen prices wick us back above here. But we are nearing overbought. You could see we are nearing 70 on the RSI, which is a sign that we aren't going to go much higher. And if volume is down, which it clearly is, I can't see us breaking up. I can more so see us correcting lower here, and then I expect to see some sort of movement. So for the time being, I'm kind of waiting right now, but I do believe with Ethereum and Bitcoin being overbought, that there's a chance we could correct. Same thing with the S&P. The S&P is probably going to pull everything down. We broke out of the 4-hour ascending fractal or symmetrical triangle. So there's a chance now we are going to correct lower. And I think it's healthy that we see a pullback down to 3,900 points to its moving average here, right? Creating higher lows, continuously creating these higher lows, because it's necessary. It's necessary, and a pullback would be needed for us to continue to trend upwards here. We retested overbought, and now it's time that we continue to move. So that's really where my head's at on a lot of these markets right now. But with that being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe. See you in tomorrow's video. Peace.